हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू फैशन बाज विद रेज। आज हमारा स्पेशल एपिसोड है जिसमें सबसे पहले मैं आपको ईद मुबारक विश करना चाहूँगा। हमारे साथ बैठी हैं इस्लामाबाद की मशहूर फैशन डिज़ाइनर मरियम पाशा। Eid Mubarak, Mariam. Welcome to our show.
Thank you.
Mariam, like a lot of young people when they grow up, they want to be different things. They want to go into different fields. How did you decide you want to be a fashion designer?
There's been many a reason for why I actually opted to go into fashion. One of the reasons was that I started out in fine arts and I thought of becoming an artist, and it was something that's been there in my family. My mother's from nursing background. My father was a businessman, and एक शौक था शुरू से, and then all of a sudden, because by the time I went into fashion, that was a time that there wasn't a lot of designers around, and there wasn't that concept of actually studying fashion. So that was something that just sort of, it was there since I was in first year, second year, that I really wanted to do.
Gotcha. So it was an inborn kind of a thing.
An inborn kind of a thing, and also there was the fact that there really wasn't a school in Islamabad where I could go to, and I wouldn't ever get the permission to actually go to PSFT or outside Islamabad. So that was one of the reasons that the minute that the school opened up in Islamabad where I got my degree from, I just knew that this is it. I have to go here.
How do you want the fashion industry to look at you? The marketing, Mariam, the choreographer, or the fashion designer?
As a marketing person, that's like, it's just come because of the fact that I was working for an ad agency and an event management company. So that is something I really enjoy doing, and it comes to me very naturally. But then again, as a designer, that's what I've studied, that's what I do. So I think that I definitely want to be known as the designer.
Mariam, like we all know that आज का Eid special episode है. आप हमारे viewers को कुछ बताना चाहेंगी? What is in vogue? What trends? कौन से colors हैं जो इस season में in हैं?
All sorts of colors are in. There's especially, more towards, let's say, melon pinks, like what I'm wearing right now, or more towards the tones of brighter tones. Cooler tones are coming in now, like aqua blue, though it's been there in 2004 and 5 as well, but I think aqua blue is not going down. The combination of hot pink and aqua blue and
the brighter ones.
The brighter ones, and the more in those ones are more in vogue. But the warm tones don't ever go out of fashion either.
Is there any recommendation, as in any newcomer female model that you would like to recommend from Islamabad?
In Islamabad, there's always been a shortage of models, especially girls. For some reason, they have never been open enough to come out and start doing this. But now there's a lot of girls who've actually opened up to the fact that yes, this could just be a good career, looking at all the other top models. There's a few new girls. There's this girl called Shahana, she's just brilliant. There's a girl called Serena, and I seriously hope that they can make it big in the scene.
Mariam, what are your future big plans for year 2006?
I'm looking to bring out a new line in March, inshallah, and then a show maybe in December.
Mariam, before we go, हमारी तरफ से आपको बहुत ईद मुबारक.
आपको भी बहुत ईद मुबारक.
And thank you so much for being part of our show.
Thank you for having me.
Friends, that was fashion designer Mariam Pasha from Islamabad. आपको हमारी तरफ से बहुत ईद मुबारक. Thank you so much. Cheers.